In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps without payment method in iPhone. So the first step is to open the App Store and then simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now once you get here, tap again on your iCloud account, and then from here we just have to go to payment methods. So basically we just have to select none in order to be able to download apps without payment method. So Apple usually gives these options to new users who just created their iCloud account. You just have to select none, and basically this will allow you to download apps without the payment method. So let me go back here and try again. So here we just have to go to manage payments, and as you can see, I already have some payment methods. So in case you have payment methods, you can simply tap on the edit button in the top right corner and simply remove them from here, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.